So here's my attempt at using dandruff shampoo and baking soda to get even more of this temporary hair color out of my hair. So I'm going to try this new thing I read about, which is taking dandruff shampoo and mixing it with baking soda and leaving it on your hair to remove temporary dye. I'm gonna mix that up in a bowl and then I'm gonna put it on my hair. I'm gonna dampen my hair a little bit first and we shall see what it does. I honestly thought it was gonna lather up more with the shampoo, but maybe it's not wet enough. This is just the shampoo. I don't think it did much of nothing. And it certainly didn't smell as bad as the apple cider vinegar, which I guess, I don't know. If it smells bad, is it working better? Maybe. I'm gonna blow dry my hair and we'll see what it looks like after. Okay, maybe it did a little something. I mean, it still looks purple and blue to me. But we're getting there, you know? Every wash takes more color out. And you know what I'm probably gonna do is that horrible, horrible smelling cider vinegar again, because I think it took the most out. And although this left my hair feeling okay, the apple cider vinegar left my hair really soft, like extra soft, probably stripping away all the toxins or something from all the dyeing and the bleaching and all the stuff. And yeah, whatever. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any different opinions about baking soda and dandruff shampoo. Thanks. Bye.